This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about teapots and cups, specifically this Tetsubin cast iron teapot and cups. The two come sold separately, so you have your 20-ounce teapot, which you can see has an adorable little handle and lid, and comes with a nice little strainer basket. So these are perfect for doing loose tea leaves and brewing a nice pot of tea. And then the cups are sold separately as a set of two. And one of the great features of these is that they're a beautiful cast iron, so they have a nice weight to them and they're incredibly durable, right? So unlike porcelain cups or teapots, you don't have to worry about things cracking and chipping with long use, but they're also enamel coated on the inside, so you don't have to worry about rust, which is fantastic. And it has a nice, beautiful shine to that glaze, that finish on the inside, and that's both on the cups and in the teapot as well. And then you have the nice, beautiful matted look to that cast iron on the outside. And it has a lovely little hobnail style design that adds a little classic texture to it for a nice, elegant feel, but also gives you some added grip as well. So it's a beautiful set of two cups, and then the teapot is sold separately. The cast iron is going to be durable for heavy use in commercial kitchen environments. If you're running a Japanese restaurant and you're looking for something that'll make a great long-lasting way to do tea service to your guests and add a nice little extra touch of polish to it, these are a fantastic product to use. It's recommended that they're hand washed to maintain the finish, and it's just going to be fantastic if you're looking to either do a Japanese style tea service, maybe if you're doing high tea at a bed and breakfast or a hotel, if you're a restaurant looking to do tea service for your guests, or even if you just want to enjoy a nice cup of tea from a traditional teapot and cup at home, or to give as a gift.